ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. My name is Dr. Anand Diyar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce and Management, Sri Mahadeshwara Government First Aid College, ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲ, Chamarajanagar district. Today I am going to discuss the topic advertising of Marketing Management, 6th semester BCom, University of Mysore. Contents. These are all the contents I am going to cover. Introduction, meaning and definition, future or characteristics or elements, importance of advertising, advantage of advertising. Before we discuss about advertising, let me know about the meaning of advertisement and advertising. Generally, the message about the product is known as advertisement. However, advertising is more than a message. So this is the difference between advertisement and advertising. It is a process or series of activities necessary to prepare the message and bring it to the target market. The reader can identify the sponsor responsible for advertising in an advertisement. Introduction. Advertising word derived from Latin word adverto, means towards, and verto means I turn. Thus, the meaning of advertising is to turn towards a particular thing. Advertising used as an important tool at national and international level for the marketing of products and services in today's competitive era. It helps to communicate the message about the product and company and thus promotes its sales. The importance of advertising has increased in the throughout competition and fast changing technological era. Advertising is used for communicating various features of the products to the present and prospective customers and other relative parties. Advertising is considering a strong promotional tool. The main and ultimate objective of the company is to earn profit through consumer satisfaction. Advertising plays an important function to create the awareness and formation of the attitude towards the product, services and company. The advertising is one of the major tool of marketing. No business in market can survive without advertising. Therefore, advertising is must in competitive era. The main target of every business to earn maximum profit, and this target can achieve by selling goods at reasonable prices in the market. Thus, advertising is commonly understood as communicating about a product or a service. Actually, advertising include all activities performed by an enterprises to present the goods to the consumers and to stimulate them to buy these goods. In general term, advertising is to announce public about the goods and services provided by producer manufacturer. Definition and meaning. Various management experts and authors give definitions. According to William J. Stanton, advertising consists of all the activities involved in presenting to an audience a non-personal, sponsor identified, paid for message about a product or organization. According to American Marketing Association, advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsor. According to Philip Kotler, advertising is a non-personal form of communication conducted through print media under clear sponsorship. According to Webster, advertising is give to public notice to announce publicity. According to Gardner, advertising is the means of mass selling that has grown up parallel with and has been made necessary to mass production. According to Rath and Mason, advertising is a salesmanship without a personal salesman. According to Bolin, advertising can be described as the art of creating a demand for an article or a service. It is clear from the above definitions that advertisement is an art about the product or utility of service and concerning its effect on people. An advertisement gives information. Today, all the means are included in the definition of an advertisement by which the customers are given full information about newly manufactured products. In other words, we can say advertising includes all the activities involved in presenting to a group a non-personal, oral or visual, openly sponsored message regarding a product or services or idea. This message is called an advertisement and is disseminated through one or more media and is paid for by the identified sponsor. Future or characteristics are elements of advertising. It is an impersonal nature of selling. Most important point. It is non-personal communication to specific consumers. It is paid for farm communication by identified sponsor. It is made through media such as print media or e-media. It means electronical media. It disseminates information about the product, services, and the organization providing these. It pursues the present and perspective customers to buy a particular product or services. It is a salesmanship in print. It supplements the efforts of sales personnel. It stimulates sales and patronage for the product. Number 9, it helps for positioning the product in the market. Number 10, it is an essential part of marketing mix. It is a strategy that is essential both for existing products and the introduction of new products. So these are all the important elements or characteristics or features of advertising. Let me discuss about importance of advertising. What are the importance we have? Here the first one, information about the availability of inputs. That is the most important. Number 2, helps in marketing. Number 3, informs product availability. Number 5, helps in introducing new products. Number 6, possible to know customer opinion. Number 7, helps in price stability, healthy competition, creation of employment opportunities, helping industrialization, decrease cost production, contributes towards economic growth, and the last one, helping political parties. So these are all the importance of advertising. One by one. Advantages to manufacturers. Here it is helps to manufacturers. It increases sales volume to the manufacturers. It increases net profits. It helps in introducing new product. It stabilizes the selling prices. It helps to expand the markets. It helps in establishing direct contact. It is less expensive. It helps in quicker transmission of messages. So these are all the advantages of manufacturers by advertising. The how it advantages to customer or consumer. It is helps in easy purchasing for customer or consumers, helps in reducing shopping time, connecting link, wholesaler and fourth one, advantages to sales force. It means salesman. How it is help? Create a background, easy to introduce a product, saves salesman time, creates enthusiasm. So these are all the advantages to salesman. The last one, advantages to society or community. How it is helps to them. First one, creates employment opportunity, high standard of living, educative value, and helps press media. So these are all the advantages to society and community. The last one, conclusion. How advertising help, it helps to complete the process of the particular way. Advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods or services by an identified sponsors. Advertising include not only business firms but also charitable, non-profit and government agencies that advertise to various publics. So these are all the references I used. Marketing management, Philip Kotler, advertising management concept and cases by Mahindra Mohan. These are all the references I used. Thank you so much.